Hey everybody, my name is HardDuckMan. HardDuckMan! HardDuckMan! And welcome back. I'm gonna be playing Light Switch, made by PewDiePie. I am finally back to my headphone mic. I spent a decent amount of money getting a microphone set up. It just wasn't worth it. My good old headset microphone just sounded so much better. But for now, I'm sticking with my old faithful microphone because God does it sound good compared to that. Gonna play. Introduction. You're 12 years old. You live in California, USA. Your mom is usually at work, so you're most of the time out alone. It is the 19th of November, and outside it's raining. You're home alone again. It is almost 10 p.m. How scary can a light switch be? How big of a baby are we? You think I'm scared of a light switch? Look at this. I'm gonna click it. That wasn't that hard. No, man, turning it back on. What is the premise of this game? Read notes, fam. I got used to being home alone, but I'm starting to feel some kind of presence. It is weird. It's the Rubik's Cube. It's the Rubik's Cube. Fire, picture, candle. Go to bed, baby boy. I can't sleep yet. I have to turn off all the lights. Why is that? Why do you gotta turn all the lights off? Ooh, it's very dark. Why do you... Who's calling at this time of night? Who's calling? Interact. Looks like we're almost out of soap. Who's using all the soap? Who's using all the soap? Who's soaping? Who's soaping my soap? Interact. I love playing video games on my computer, even if I suck at them. Dude, me and you, we're like the same person. We're basically the same person. I too love playing video games on my computer. Very cool. Who's on the telephone? I'm a 10-year-old. Don't you know I'm trying to sleep, you fucking maniac? Hey! Please go to sleep, but don't forget to turn off the lights. Love you. Bye! I love you. I love you too. I should listen to my mom. That's a really weird phone call to get from your mom. Maybe your mom's the crazy one. Maybe it's your mom just trying to kill us. What mom just calls like that? She's just like, turn off the lights. Who ba-dumpa-thumpin' upstairs? You guys heard that ba-dumpa-thumpin', right? There's a ba-dumpa-thumper up there. Hey, I heard a ba-dumpa-thumper. Who's ba-dumpa-thumpin'? Who's being damping tamp? Who's a breathing? Is the badumper thumper also breathing? Is the badumpin' humper thumper breathing? Is the badumpin' hump thump? Are they breathing? Let me sleep. Oh, I did it. Awesome. Oh no. What's happening? A calling in the middle of the night? That's what I'm saying. Who's calling? Can't sleep. Did I just write that note now? Did I write that before I woke up? Oh no. Who's calling? Who's calling? Oh no. I'm going back in the room. No. No, thank you. Go back to sleep. I'm not dealing with any of that. Sleep, child, sleep. Fuck the call. Don't answer, because whoever's calling at this time of night should know that it is late, and I am a child, and I need to sleep. And they should be completely understanding if I don't pick up the call. Because it is super late in the night. Right? No? This is a game? They don't understand? Okay. I'll walk forward. I know I just heard a door shut behind me. Whatever. Yeah, it's downstairs. I forgot. What's in here? Hello? Hello? Any stuff? Oh my god. There's a safe. Why can I just randomly... Why is there carrots in the cupboard? Who is stockpiling stuff? Who's stockpiling carrots? Who does that? Who's the carrot stockpiler? Oh. Yeah, I'm coming. Shut up. Shut up. I'm coming. He's here. Okay. Okay. Trying to go back to sleep. Yeah, that's the plan. Ah! Oh, you're up here. What's up, dude? I'm going back to bed. Good night. Good night. The sound is what scared me, not even him. I didn't even see him until after I screamed. Oh my god. How are the lights on? Should I go investigate or go to sleep? I'm a child. In a situation like this, I would freeze up. In any tense situation like this, I am not the guy to get up and be like, yeah, my muscles, my big arms. You know what I do? I cry and I go back to sleep because I'm a big baby. I hate to be honest, but sometimes I'm a bitch baby. Me, HardDuckMan, I'm a bitch baby sometimes, yeah. This feels so weird. Everything feels so changed in the house. Did stuff move around? I honestly wouldn't remember because I haven't been really staring. Can we close the blinds? Can we just take in the plant for a sec? Why is there bananas? Why do we have bananas? Also, we have our own fireplace. That's sick, actually. That's really nice that you have your own fireplace. What, do we not have heating? Do we not have regular old heat? Nope, 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 fuck that, nope. Nope, nope, I'm staying up here. I'm staying up here. Going to bed. Oh, I could just go to bed? Ah. Ooh, you are jacked! Holy Santa Claus! Coming early for Christmas! The creature killed you while you were sleeping. Maybe you shouldn't have went back to sleep. Ending 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3? There's 3 different endings. Ooh! You know, I'll take one more run through it. And I'll try and turn on the lights where I didn't last time. Hey, I know the gist of it. Don't be babying me. Oh, there we go. There's a phone call. Hey, please go to sleep. Don't forget to turn off the lights. Bye, love you. Love you, Mom. Love you. Yeah. I didn't get all the lights. Are you kidding me? What lights am I missing? Are you kidding me? What lights could I possibly be missing? In here, other than note. This is so weird. There were 3 carrots in the fridge just a few hours ago. My mom left in the morning. How did 1 carrot disappear? So the carrots are abnormal. I was gonna say, why is there carrots? I heard that bang. Heard that thumping. I don't want that thumping. I want to check out the kitchen. A cleaver, a knife. Could I take the knife and murder the bad guy? Could I murder him? Dude, no, I can't. I don't know if you guys remember, but that dude, you see, he was jacked. He was strong. Even if I tried to chop his arm off, it would probably just be a paper cut to him. It would probably absorb into his muscle, and he'd shoot it back at us. So, terrible idea on my end. Terrible idea. What do you mean I haven't turned the lights off? Which light am I missing? That one. Oh. The one in my room. What's happening? A call in the middle of the night? Yeah, weird. That's real weird. He's here. He's here again, the big buffed up psychopath Santa Claus. What's he gonna do? Put coal in my stocking? Oh, hey there, dude. Could I follow you back there? I really don't want to know if I can follow you back there. I don't know why I'm doing a southern drawl. Why am I doing a southern drawl? Wake back up, kid. Hey, you're finally awake. How are the lights on? Should I go investigate or just go back to sleep? We're gonna investigate this time. Ah! Mommy's sleeping in there? When did Mom get home? Mom? Ah! You're fast! Hey, dude. Hey, you in here? I saw you both this way. Are you the carrot man? Oh, you got the carrots. You're the carrot man. Oh, the candy man? No, the carrot man come. What's in the bathroom? And I have a shower. Don't drop the soap. Old Saint buffed up Nick is gonna come. Not ew. Ooh. The phone again? Oh! Is he calling? Does he want to have a formal conversation? Hey, dude. Let's have a conversation. Upstairs! Up your ass! Up your ass! How about... What is happening? I should leave the house and run. Or maybe I can go alert Mom. She's in her bedroom. Mom! Mom! Ah! Okay. He's just gonna belly flop on us and give me spinal damage. Well, that's about all the endings I'm getting. That was Light Switch. That was Light Switch made by Tutty Pie. Simple, liked it, gave me a few scares, spooked me. Great model on the monster. I gotta say, that's a nice model. He's got the balahumpa-humpas. He's got the bagabahumps. The bagahunks. The hajahumps. Sexy man. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video. Comment your favorite part, what you thought was the funniest, thought was the scariest. Tell me what you think about Tell me what you think about jacked up Saint Nicholas. And turn on post notifications if you haven't yet. And share the video with a friend. Share the video with a friend. Do that too, and subscribe. And make this so confusing. And with all that said, thank you. With all that, no, what? Peace, peace.